Yeah, this is going to be a big storm system stretching all the way from the northeast through portions of Jackson, Mississippi. Locally, our forecast looks fantastic because this system is going to weaken as it gets closer to us. But it's not that weak right now. You still see this big red box. This is going to be a tornado watch box that is stretching all the way through portions of the southeast through multiple states right here, even through portions of Georgia. We have high pressure in place, and that is going to really help weaken the system as it starts to move to the south. Now, through today, it is going to switch our winds more out of the south, and this is going to bump up our humidity and also a little bit of moisture in the air, giving us a chance for some rain. Sunday morning, we're looking nice and dry, but through the afternoon into the evening hours, we could see a couple of inland showers and storms. And then we do have another disturbance that will move through. That's Sunday into Monday. That will bump up our moisture once again, bringing us about a 30% chance of a couple of showers, maybe even an isolated storm on Monday. So with it being the weekend, I do want to help you time out the rain. This is not a total washout. Right around 3 o'clock, we start to see some of those inland showers really fire up, racing over to the east coast through about 9-10 o'clock in the evening. The closer you are to the coast, the drier you will be. By tomorrow morning, we're looking at a mix of sun and clouds, but also some patchy fog. That's going to be the darker gray colors right here. Right around 1-2 o'clock, we could see a stray shower or two popping up and down I-75. More showers popping up through our inland areas, maybe even an isolated storm. And through 9-10 o'clock, again, they race over to the east coast. Monday morning, maybe a light haze when it comes to the fog, but at least we're starting off nice and dry for that Monday morning commute. Right now, clouds and radar sweeping across beautifully. Hardly a cloud in the sky. Temperatures are fairly comfortable, sitting at 66 in Arcadia, 67 LaBelle, 70 Bonita Springs, and 72 over in Naples. Really, while not all of us will be dealing with the showers for today, all of us will be dealing with the heat. The average high this time of the year is supposed to be 83 degrees, and the record set back in 1974 is 92. Fort Myers will be just a couple of degrees shy of that record breaker, but it's still going to be very hot. We're forecasting a high of 87 over in Port Charlotte, 86 Punta Gorda, 89 Cape Coral, the same in Fort Myers, the same through our inland Lee County areas, a high of 93 over in Immokalee and 91 over in Orange Tree. That front, as I mentioned, also going to switch our winds more out of the southeast-south, and it's also going to make it breezy. You may have noticed the breeze yesterday. Today will be very similar. Wind speeds right around 2-3 o'clock, getting close to about 15 miles per hour. So with dry conditions, hot temperatures, and it being breezy at times, I do want you to think about our potential fire danger risk, as all of southwest Florida, except for Charlotte County, going to be at a moderate risk for brush fires for today, or at least a level 2. So just keep in mind those burn bans that are still going to be in place. We're not quite out of dry season until about mid-May. So here's that 7-day forecast for today. Sunny, then a couple of inland showers, highs topping out near 89 degrees. Overnight lows warm and muggy near 70. Tomorrow will start off a little foggy, and while most of us will see the sunshine, we do have a 20% chance of a few isolated showers and storms inland. That trend continues on Monday with a high of 90 degrees, and then we're dry for the rest of your work week. Mostly sunny with highs ranging anywhere between the low to mid 90s. Time right now is 8:50, and you are watching Fox 4 Morning News.